Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. And this vlog is our travel from Coimbatore to Sydney, Australia. And we had a transit in Singapore as well. So this is the day one, and you will see the video of our Singapore transit. Hopefully you will like this series, and I have a lot of interesting vlogs coming up in this series. Enjoy. So once when the trip got planned and everything got set, we started shopping, and we shopped for clothes, and especially we shopped for spices because my sister-in-law wants spices from India. So we shopped for that, and we took some medicines which are needed for the baby. And this is the second flight for Nora, and Nora is happy, excited to fly. The flight was delayed, and it has been like 4 hours now, and we were so tired waiting in the airport, and it's late night.
Hello again, guys. As I told you, we are now on the flight going to the ambulance down there. We were inside there, coming into. Yeah, so we are now gonna board. Let's go. Yeah, I'll get you guys back. I'll get you guys back when we get inside the flight and sit down. So guys, we're currently next point.
I accidentally happened to drop the phone. Sorry.
Have officially boarded the plane.
The Singapore flight was very small, and we had very limited leg room, and Nora was sleeping. Nora was reading his book. It was pitch dark in the night. It was around 3-4ish in the morning.
These are star guys.
And this is how the dawn breaks, and sunrise in the morning. It was a blessing to view the sunrise from the morning flight, and it was so wonderful, making memories. Sunrise are always special, and this one is up above the sky over the clouds.
Carrying out the landing stations.
now you can see ships and stuff outside. There are ships. That we went on the cruise. I think they're going to land any moment about now. Into the football stadium.
Chloe, see, that's your mama. See? கூப்பிடு அவளை கூப்பிடு அவளை கூப்பிடுறா நோரான்னு கூப்பிடு ஹாய் கூப்பிடு
தலையில ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லைல்ல
ஐயோ
ஐயோ
Who is this ன்னு பார்க்குறியா நீ ஹாய் சொல்லிடு ஹாய் சொல்லிடு ஹாய் சொல்லிடு
Our flight landed delayed and we had only 20 minutes in the transit and we were barely able to meet my cousin, and then we need to catch up the next flight to Sydney. So see you in another vlog for day 2. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye. God bless.